Do you ever wonder what happens when the police leave? Crime scene cleaners are private companies that handle the cleanup after the police are gone. Spalding Decon is one of the nation's largest cleanup companies, handling the aftermath of homicides, suicides, decompositions, hoarding, and much more. These are our stories.
Alright, hey guys, it's Shelby. I'm here at one of our clients' houses today. It's a deep clean. Basically got to clean all the floors. It's got cat and dog feces all over it. Got to try to wipe down the walls as much as possible and just try to get rid of some of the stuff they want to throw out. Why don't we go see what we got?
Until we get all the nastiness, the big stuff, that's what we want off first. That's the majority of what we want. Once we get that up, then we can spray it down, soak it, then we can mop it, clean it, and it'll get easier from there.
Yeah, we'll do that part tomorrow. We'll save that for last because, I mean, other than the floors, wiping down obviously all the counters, cabinets, and everything in the kitchen, sink, under the cabinets and the drawers, everything in there. Trying to get all the cobwebs down. Obviously the walls, easiest way for them, like she said she wanted to do, like go up 2 feet and cut.
Yeah. That's
the smartest idea for that. So she's got a good idea about that. And then I guess the rest of it, because it's like caked on there, like it won't come off. Yeah. I was scrubbing it and it wasn't coming off.
And then also the walls in there, some of those walls, you see where the cat was scratching and clawing at the walls. Yeah. All that's gonna have to come out and come down as well. And then you got a couple of walls that have holes in them, and it's the same thing.
I don't want to look at that.
So I want you to give us some thoughts when you first came in the house and up to this point now.
Honestly, when I first walked in, I was a little shocked that anyone could do this to a house. Like, just the smell, you could instantly smell what it was all over the floors, which not a fun smell. Then just knowing that someone could be living like this, a little heartbreaking.
Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it love. Hey, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it love.
Florida, doing a deep clean hoarding trash out. So the tenant that used to live here had kind of just let the trash kind of build up. Was as per the homeowner, was a scrapper, like to collect a lot of different things. Also had multiple animals that just decided not to dispose of anything. Animal feces, trash, scrap material, etc. It actually grew on the walls. We're having yellow stains on the walls that we're having to clean. So yesterday, Mario and Shelby did most of the trash out. We brought the dump trailer because now we're actually starting to pull some of the molding off the doors and everything, and we're going to start cleaning today. It's going to be a hot one today, but join us and see what's going on. So that first layer was shockwave. As you see, it brightened it up a little bit. We have some harder stains that we're gonna have to treat. That's where we're gonna use our Part A chemical. Our Part A chemical will dig into those stains and it'll pull it off. It's a lot stronger chemical, but what you do is you do that surface layer with the shockwave, because you don't want to use your harsher chemicals first. You want to use your lesser chemicals to see how well those do, and then if you need to, you upgrade to a harsher chemical.
at the deep clean day 2. A lot of stuff had happened with what we were supposed to do, but at the same time, we're gonna get it done. So we're not gonna be cleaning all the appliances and all that. We're just gonna get rid of them per the homeowner's request and all the rest of the stuff that she wants tossed and thrown away. So we've been doing all of that today, doing a whole lot more of the deep cleaning, and then again tomorrow we'll be back at it so that we can go hard at it again, day 3.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Seen the where they filmed Harry Potter? The spider scene? Actually right out here.
We're on the set of Harry Potter right now.
Check that web out. Make your tools work for you.
Yes, sir.
See cucarachas everywhere. See, they're everywhere. See them?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't bother me once I know it's a cockroach. It's when it's in your peripheral and you see it moving, and you haven't identified what it is yet. That's when I'm not afraid of cockroaches, but I am afraid of spiders. Mario,
Yeah.
grab that side of that. Find that.
There. Shit.
I was hoping you'd grab that side, but grab that side right there, up top, like we did the bed. Okay, grab from the back. That way you throw it at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
It's on there. That's all that matters.
Whoa!
This right here is a concrete platform for this furnace. Why they put the concrete down is this thing gets really hot and that heat transfers into the ground and out to the floor. So they put this concrete slab here to reduce that transfer into the distress, so it doesn't distress the rest of the house. But because this house was occupied by a lot of animals that were unattended, this right here is mounds of dog feces. If you look right here, this level of the top of the concrete right here is the same level all the way back. It's almost a flat surface, but as you can see, as we get closer to the back, there's soot and dog feces that have raised up.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified of the next episode.
For more information, visit any of our locations.